Malaking inamin netong si Coach Tim patungkol dito sa kanyang bagong bata matapos tong unang panalo na nakuha ng Barangay Ginebra kontra TNT. Yan matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Last Sunday nga mga bularo, alam naman natin na opisyal lang nakuha ni L.A. Tenorio ang kanyang unang pagkatalo bilang isang ganap na PBA coach. At pawang yan, matapos silang talunin ng Meralco sa isang dikit na laban after pangunahan netong si CJ Cancino ang tapatan.
Well, I'm happy na binibigyan ako ng ganitong role, pero for me, sa sistema kasi ni Coach Nenad, wala yung ganong role eh. Kung sino yung mainit sa game, binibigay namin. Siguro, nasaktuan lang na maganda yung nilalaro ko sa offense netong mga last game, pero yung sistema namin talagang nakalaro kung ano man yung binibigay ng depensa ng kalaban namin.
Kaya naman dahil sa ipinakita ni CJ, malaki ang pasasalamat ni Coach Luigi sa kanyang bata.
You know, we're proud of this guy also. He's put in the work in the off-season. He's gotten, I think, 12 pounds of muscle, and more than anything, obviously you see the stats in the scoring, but to me, the nakakataba ng puso kay CJ because he's playing defense. You know, last conference he had to go through those tough times where they're attacking him. This time he's holding the fort. So yeah, Aaron and CJ, just not also CJ, AB also played well today.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, last week din mga bularo, maraming kabarangay ang paniguradong natuwa matapos nang makakuha ng unang panalo etong koponan ni Coach Tim ngayong 50th season kalaban ng TNT. Kung saan sa isang panaya matapos ang laban, muli na namang na-mention ni Coach Tim etong si Sonny Estil at pawang nakumpara pa sa kanyang dating bata.
I'm just really excited about Sonny. I think he just brings so much energy to the game. He kind of reminds me of a young Mark Bonoka. When we first got Mark at Pure Foods, I mean, he was like all over the place and stumbling and falling and making crazy shots, and he really reminds me of Mark. And you know, you'd rather have a guy that's going 100 miles an hour and slide him down to 70, 80 miles an hour, rather than have a guy who always goes 50 miles an hour and you got to push him up to that 70, 80. So we're real excited about Sonny. The whole team is. We see some really big potential there, and the energy he brings is a lot of fun to watch.